Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study for the GRE in 2 weeks. First, take a full-length diagnostic test right away to understand your current standing. This initial assessment is crucial for identifying your strengths and weaknesses across all sections. Carefully review your score report to pinpoint specific areas that require the most attention. Then, strategically allocate your limited study time, prioritizing those weaker sections to maximize your score improvement in just 2 weeks. Next, dedicate 3 to 4 days to a focused review of core concepts in both quantitative and verbal reasoning. Utilize official GRE study materials, as they provide the most accurate representation of the exam's content and question styles. As you practice, make sure to solve questions under timed conditions. This helps you build speed and accuracy, which are essential for managing your time effectively during the actual test. Now, focus on mastering test-taking strategies for each section, including the analytical writing assessment. During your second week, complete at least 2 to 3 full-length practice tests to simulate the actual exam experience. After each mock test, thoroughly review all your answers, paying special attention to the questions you got wrong. Understanding your mistakes is key to avoiding them on test day. In the final few days, concentrate on reviewing high-yield concepts and common question types. Avoid cramming new material. Prioritize getting adequate rest and maintaining good nutrition to ensure you are mentally sharp for the exam. On test day, arrive early at the test center with all required identification and materials. Stay calm and confident. You've prepared diligently for this moment.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.